This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Undo the 3 torx screws and remove the fixing strip at the front of the under tray. Remove the torx screws at the front edge of the under tray and the screw each side. The under tray is now secured by 3 torx screws at the rear edge. Undo the screws and withdraw the tray from under the vehicle. Rotate the engine oil filler cap 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove it. Pull the engine cover upwards to release the rubber mountings. Refit the filler cap to prevent contamination. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump. Slacken the sump drain plug. Position the container under the drain plug, then completely unscrew the drain plug and allow the engine oil to drain. After all the oil has drained, clean the sump and wipe the drain plug with a clean rag. Examine the condition of the drain plug sealing ring and renew it if it shows signs of flattening or other damage which may prevent an oil-tight seal. Note that the seal is not available separately from the drain plug. Fit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Move the container under the oil filter. Then, using a removal tool if necessary, slacken and unscrew the filter. Remove all oil, dirt and sludge from the filter sealing area. Smear a little clean engine oil around the sealing ring, then screw the new filter into position, tightening it by hand only. Do not use any tools. Remove the old oil container then lower the vehicle to the ground. Using a funnel to avoid spillage, add the correct grade of oil to bring the level up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Now add approximately half a litre of oil to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Refit the dipstick and the filler cap, then start the engine and allow it to idle for a few minutes. Stop the engine and check for leaks around the filter and drain plug. Recheck the level and add oil if necessary. Upon completion, reinsert the dipstick and refit the filler cap.